Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how we can enable the admin logs in Magento. Admin activity, we are going to trace it in this video. So let's start how we can do that. So here I am using the Kiwi Commerce extension. So let's run the commands. Exactly. This is next we have a create. This is done. Let's go to the admin panel. So I'm logged into the admin panel. Let's check. Go to the stores configuration. Where is key commerce, admin activity, general configuration, yes, yes, enable law module, yes, order and all. Okay, so let's go to the extension where all the admin activity, login activity configuration. Okay, so admin activity it is there. I'm going to system config, editing this, auth login with my IP. Okay, login activity only one, that is today by Firefox. Okay, and this is the configuration. So if I go to the catalog, here is admin activity and here is all the activity logs. So if I'm going to the catalog, so catalog products, if I'm trying to edit any product for now, go to the edit, and I have made the SKU one more addition and they save this SKU. And if I go to the admin activity and check the things, it says product save. I'm editing this one, product validate, product edit, product index. So these four things are done. And what I have edited, SKU have added, old value is this and new value is this. So this is the tracking of all your activity in the admin. So it's important so that if various people have this admin panel, so you can trace which person has edited anything or enable the functionality or adding something on the Magento admin. So by this extension you can sort out this problem very easily. Okay, another thing is that let me go to the system config, stores configuration, and we have advanced system admin. Admin usage is tracking is there, dashboard, security. Okay, so like you can use this extension to enable the admin activity in Magento 2. That's it, I think. So you can trace. If I go this one again, go to the stores where it is essentially located, admin activity, and here I says I am going to the sales system config and try to edit this. All these things are locked. All things are locked over here. Before product, see, some very everything is logged, and you can view what they have, what they are doing on. Okay, so this is how we can use this extension admin activity, and you will get to know each and every activity of the admin. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. And see, in stores configuration, you can configure accordingly. Here we have the whether you want clear the admin logs, enable page visitors, allow module, order, product, category, customer, promotion, email templates, page, blog, widget, each and everything you can trace. Of those who don't want to trace, you can make it no variable accordingly. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.